BTR1 and BTR1 Advanced X. Today we'll see how to set them up and use them at their best. The main differences between these two models are that the BTR1 Advanced X has a flexible external antenna, while the BTR1 has an integrated antenna. The maximum range of the BTR1 Advanced X is 1 kilometer and 200 meters. The maximum range of the BTR1 is 800 meters. The last difference is that the BTR1 Advanced X has a built-in FM radio and the option to listen to web radio via the app, while the BTR1 can only listen to web radio via the app. All other features, pairings, functions, and the contents of the package are the same. BTR1 Advanced X and BTR1 have a 5-button interface. 3 large buttons are multifunctional, while 2 smaller buttons are dedicated to the volume. We have a USB-C charging port. On the back, we have a QR code that links to the support section of our website, where you'll find all the information related to this product. Here we have the approval number for the 2206 Universal Accessories Certification, the 2 clips and the 2 magnets of the fixing system, and the 2 multifunction LEDs. Now let's turn on the BTR1 Advance. To turn it on, we press the center button and the down button simultaneously for a few seconds. The blue flashing of the LED signals that it has been turned on. The same operation for turning it off. So I press the center button and the down button again for a few seconds, and in this case, the red LED signals the shutdown. We have 3 different status LEDs. Blue flashing standby, purple flashing audio active, red and blue flashing pairing in progress. The LEDs also help us understand the device's charging process. Red flashing device charging. When the LED stops flashing red, it means that the charging has been completed. The low battery signal, on the other hand, occurs both through a red flash and through a voice announcement.